Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Bluestacks 5 and laptop. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So the first step would be, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Bluestacks website, link in the description below. Look for download or download Bluestacks button on the home page. Click on the download button associated with Bluestacks 5. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file, usually in your downloads folder, or go to the downloads icon in the top right and go ahead and click the file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Bluestacks 5 on your laptop, and there will be a question prompted if you want this app to make changes to your PC. Just hit OK, hit install, and hit agree, and just wait for the installation to complete. After installation, the Bluestacks 5 will automatically launch. Just hit OK with all of these. Once you get there, you can explore the Bluestacks interface and download Android apps from the Google Play Store within the emulator. And that's how to download Bluestacks 5 and laptop. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.